really know the pain. I done been through the hearts and the rain. Let me know now. It's a war in the field. Police down here and they down to for real. Cause let me know now. And the fools down to kill. Watch your back, cause them niggas get for real. Cause let me know now.
Give y'all a quick little rev for a minute.
later.
Alright, so the lights you can install up here. I got a bracket right here. Wire harness. Alright, I gotta show them the lights right quick. Boom, there we go.
You done got back up. They light up green.
I think they light up. I think they light up white.
That's still sexy.
I wish I could make it green.
They still gonna look good.
Yeah,
They gonna like that whole model for right there.
Yeah.
Man, you can take that damn front plate off.
Yeah.
Don't put that front plate.
Yeah, I don't even want to put that on there. But he got a hole. I think he got a hole in the bumper.
It still looks better than the plate. And you can fill them little holes with that little shit and then what's the word, y'all?
Yeah, we definitely taking that front plate off. Sure.
That's the dope.
Them joints gonna look good up in there though.
Yeah. Trying to be everybody by next week, man.
Oh, you? Oh, shit. Yeah, F-Body gang, man.
Y'all gave me that motivation. You know I gotta be everybody gang.
What happened to your boy? Is he still getting his F-Body?
Oh, Khalid?
Khalid, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I ain't waiting around on this one.
Okay. What you getting? F-Body Camaro?
Yeah, I got a white one
Like this one?
yeah, I'm trying to get the white one for real. This the white one.
Man, F-Body, we can have an F-Body takeover.
Yeah. I'm trying to get that white thing. Oh yeah, you probably gotta let it focus on it. Yeah, I'm trying to get that motherfucker.
Okay.
So we could be in the game. Drop.
Man, that joint do look nice.
Like Fruit Snacks, LT1 motor. So yeah, I'm trying to get that.
Okay.
We coming through on
Yeah, we coming up, man. Yeah. Man, this joint tinted out. When they tint these windows right here?
Like last week when they did the underglow.
Man, I want to put that underglow on mine too, man.
Yeah, I'm putting that underglow on mine too.
Yeah,
I'm thinking about
definitely
going
gotta have
white
that
lime
underglow.
green.
You definitely gotta have that underglow.
Yeah, I gotta have that underglow too. It's mandatory.
All right, y'all, stick around, man. We finna get ready to get these these fog lights installed. All right, man, stay tuned.
For about 3-4 weeks to do this. Bullshit. He had ended up having some messages coming due.
What was supposed to be done?
Oh, we didn't
His
call
brand.
you and ask you. That's where he be getting all that money from. Cause you ain't got no job. Bro, this fucking dog.
That dog ready to get somebody.
I ain't gonna put that on YouTube. You recording?
Yeah.
We gonna edit that because they gonna come lock you the fuck up. I swear to God. Don't put the starving dog on
Shit,
here.
he damn near done.
The dog
He
damn
done put
near
lights. He
done.
done put lights everywhere.
This where you
on
been
this
getting all this money from, huh?
He said he done did a bunch of them.
He have. He done did everybody in the city.
You do the underglow on there too?
All that.
You
Yeah.
still got one on here?
He do all that shit.
What are you doing? Putting a wrap on there?
Yeah, this is where you getting all this money from, bro.
You see the go-kart in the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
That's the baby Elko.
The baby Elko.
Line up a little bit, man.
Told you got 2 in the head.
Is that a Hellcat Elko?
How much horsepower got up in there?
He said, hell yeah.
How much horsepower
He
got
got 2
in
in the head
there?
with that motherfucker.
That got a little Hemi in there.
Alright,
Like
so
him, you feel me?
it's like him.
Yeah, looks like him. Ain't gonna tell everybody my video.
Yo, set up. Yeah, I'm on set up. You gonna need. You
Find out
gonna
when we
need
line
it.
Tell them nigga to line his clarity up.
That's all.
Line your clarity up.
Line something up. Shit.
Cause you definitely got the clarity.
Yeah.
That's who in
Tell them nigga to line up. Hey, if you into a sound competition and you better win best clarity for sure.
Man,
You know they got the one up coming up.
yeah, I'm finna put you on there.
Yeah.
You going to the show this weekend?
Yeah.
It's a show this weekend?
25th and the 24th.
What 24th and 25th?
Whips by Wade.
His shit this weekend?
I think so.
Oh, I thought shit was like 31st or something.
No, CJ and them.
CJ and them shit this weekend.
He got that shit in Indiana.
Right, when Whips by Wade show?
Yeah, well, that
No.
It's in Linwood, ain't it?
Yeah.
No, it's in Indiana.
Both of them?
No, one of them is.
One of them is.
One of them is an hour and some away.
No, that ain't Whips by Wade, dude.
Nah, Whips by Wade shit. I think his shit.
Hour and some away, where at?
Matter of fact, I'm gonna post it on y'all page.
Yeah, we definitely going to that.
Oh yeah, Whips by Wade shit July 31st. That's next weekend. Midwest Connection car show? That's next weekend. This weekend is CJ and them shit Saturday. They giving out trophies too at that motherfucker. We gotta be in there to enter. Yeah, we gotta get out there early.
I told Lord earlier
We gotta get out
hey,
there
Gina,
early.
you ain't got no batteries? Let me get one. I need a side pump. Come on, we can swap it out for the tow bar and you give me 20 bucks. You just told me you needed it.
I do, but this other motherfucker on that page, on the thing.
Yeah,
Where you
I
on
just
that?
posted that. You know I be dropping heat, none but
What
heat.
is that?
Melrose drop.
That thing y'all got down there.
I posted it. It's motivation purposes only. That's all.
That motherfucker, that thing.
Motivation purposes only.
That's all.
You an F-body fan?
We gonna have the hardest F-bodies out. Mark, I just said that. I said it. Remember that?
Why you don't put the googly eyes on the
On the Garrett, I mean on the one thing.
yeah.
On the who?
The googly eyes.
Like right here.
Oh. Man, you been running all. This where you been getting all this money from, bro. I
Yeah.
see it now. This how he done got all this money. So you say we need one of them. We got one of them. Okay. Where you get the graphics from? Online. That's the card right there.
What about that?
What a box said. Okay.
But you gotta know where
and we
the
know how to
go.
run lights. We've been you run
Yeah,
anything.
we can run
We've
the
been
lights.
doing this
We
shit
can
for
definitely
hours.
run the lights.
So run my lights.
Nigga,
Man,
know how to run
you
your own
ran
lights.
all this shit, so I know you put them tail lights on quick as hell. So I know
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
run anything. He went straight to the
Definitely
store and
did.
bought
As soon as we mentioned it, he came. I seen him the next day. Them bitches was on and wired up.
Did you put the license plate on, man?
I had to. No, I gotta wait till Saturday.
Oh, cause you going to get your name. What you gonna put on the back?
Did you call him and order it already?
You said it'd be done as soon as I come up there.
Yep. See, I put you in the game.
You most definitely did. You feel?
Yeah, we all each one teach one. We trying to help our black brothers.
Yeah, we part of the block. We on the
We trying to
same
come up
block.
together.
We in this together, baby.
Put some glue on.
I'll glue it. You know me.
Put some glue on it.
He gonna put it up there like he ain't break. Bro, how long have you had this dog?
Few minutes later.
Don't mind my water bottle on now. Now I gotta get the LED headlights and we in the game. But she looking good though. Oh, see that? Man, she gonna look like a straight beast coming down the road. Wait till I get some tinted windows. And I just put that ice cold AC up in here. It's down and popping, man. good cold AC. Me and my dad just put good cold AC in here. We in the game, man. There's my switch right here. It has 2 modes. That's my switch right there. We're gonna mount it up pretty soon. We're gonna mount it up. Pretty soon. I'm gonna just put it in right here. Put it in right there. But yeah, this will switch right here to turn off the lights. It got the off mode, then it got the regular halo bulbs on. Let me show y'all that. That's just with the regular halo bulbs on. Let me show y'all. Just the halo bulbs. Come check it out. And then this switch right here, flick it all the way up and to turn them on. The halo rings. Like that. Now I gotta get the LED headlights and I'm in the game. Look at that. What'd you think about that, baby? Man, that thing look good. Alright, y'all. I'm finna tighten up the rest of these bolts. And then I'm gonna end this video right here, guys. Y'all seen the LED halo fog lights. These things are a natural beauty. If you guys have the 94 or even 2000 models WF6, I would highly recommend these headlights. These look so aggressive. This thing looks so aggressive. But that's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna end this and checking out with a video. See y'all in the next one. What it do, you guys? It's your boy PJ. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.